In this video, I am going to show you how to change permalinks in WordPress without breaking links. This is a simple step-by-step guide that will help you update your link structure safely. Before we begin, I want to mention something useful. If you want an easier way to design your WordPress site with full control over layouts, style, and structure, Divi from Elegant Themes is one of the best options you can choose. Divi gives you a visual builder, many templates, and strong customization without needing extra plugins. If you often feel limited by free themes or you want a cleaner design workflow, Divi can help a lot. There is a link in the description where you can try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee if you do not like it. First, you need to log in to your WordPress website. From the dashboard, click on Settings and then click on Permalinks. Here you will see different permalink options. The one that I recommend and the one that is most important for SEO is post name. It keeps your URLs clean and easy to understand. Select post name and then click Save Changes. Your overall permalink structure is now updated. Now let us look at how you can change the permalink of an individual page. Go to Pages and open the page you want to edit. On the right side, you will see a section called Permalink. Here you can enter a new permalink for your page. After adding the new text, click Update. Your page will now use the new permalink. Next, let us change the permalink of an individual post. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and click on Posts. Edit the post you want to update. Again, on the right side, you will see a permalink option. Change the text to your new preferred URL and click Update. Your post will now use the new permalink. This is how you can change the permalink structure of your WordPress website and also change the permalinks of individual posts and pages. If you are updating old links, remember to set up proper redirects to avoid broken pages. Many SEO plugins can help you handle redirects automatically. Before we end, I want to remind you that if you want more control over how your pages and posts look, Divi from Elegant Themes makes the whole process much easier. It offers a visual builder, powerful layout tools, and clean permalink handling with clear structure. If you want to upgrade your workflow, the link in the description lets you try Divi at a great price with a 100% refund guarantee if you do not like it.